Before we begin, click subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest video content.
This is Christine Luttrell. Today's knowledge tip from CS3 is using EEO standard reports in Sage HRMS. This will ensure you remain in compliance with all your hiring practices by easily and automatically creating the required EEOC reports. The EEOC collects workforce data from employers with more than 100 employees, with lower thresholds applying to federal contractors. Employers meeting the reporting thresholds have a legal obligation to provide this data. It is not voluntary. EEO reports help you track an employer's compliance in its hiring practices. The data is collected using several reports and is used for a variety of purposes, including enforcement, self-assessment by employers, and research. Each of the reports collects data about gender and race ethnicity by some type of job grouping. This information is shared with other authorized federal agencies in order to avoid duplicate collection of data and reduce the burden placed on employers. Although the data is confidential, aggregated data is available to the public. Sage HRMS reporting tools include a library of 100+ pre-configured standard reports, including the ones required by the EEOC. These reports can be found by going to Reports, the EEO Reports section, and scrolling through the list of available reports. Let's take a quick look at a couple of the available reports. The EEO Job Group Age Analysis is a matrix that indicates the number of employees from specific age groups falling within each EEO job group. In addition to assisting you with ADEA compliance, this report also helps you analyze your workforce and helps you plan for groups of employees who are approaching retirement. We can choose standard criteria. In this case, let's choose a company. Specific criteria, so just choose which date you want this report to go through. We can preview the report, print it, or of course export it to Excel. And there's a listing of the EEO job group analysis by age. The EEO-1 Headcount Detail report gives you a list of employees grouped by EEO classification, which enables you to reconcile the information generated in the EEO Headcount Summary Report. Let's take a look at that. Again, you would choose your company and look at your reporting period. For this example, we'll just use this subset. You can choose which type of employee you are looking for. Leave it blank if you're looking for everyone. Again, let's preview the report. It gives you a clear, concise view as to your headcount detail. Lastly, let's look at the VETS 100 detail list. This report provides employee names and IDs by job category for each VETS 100 category. The report includes newly hired veterans by category and total new hires for the 12-month period specified. Again, you would choose your employer and look at that specific criteria for the 12 months ending on a specific date. Preview the report, and there you have it. Using the standard EEO reports within Sage HRMS provides a quick, accurate means to meet your compliance reporting needs.
Was this video helpful? Click subscribe to see more videos like this one.